Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end.
Why do invoices never ghost you? Because they always come back when the money's due. Now let's get straight into pricing, starting with Invoicera. Invoicera uses a tiered monthly pricing model aimed at businesses that handle multiple clients or expect to scale. The starter plan costs $19 per organization per month when billed monthly. This plan allows unlimited invoices for up to 100 clients, includes one staff member, unlimited estimates, and unlimited recurring invoices. It also includes discounted business setup support, which can help new users get configured correctly from day one. Moving up, the business plan costs $49 per organization per month. This tier expands capacity significantly, allowing unlimited invoices for up to 1,000 clients and up to 10 staff members. A key upgrade at this level is API access, which enables integrations and automation. This plan is designed for growing service businesses and agencies that need their billing system to connect with other tools rather than operate in isolation. The enterprise plan is priced at $99 per organization per month. It supports up to 2,000 clients and 20 staff members and includes batch PDF export for high volume invoicing. At the top is the Infinite plan at $149 per organization per month. This removes client limits entirely, allows unlimited staff members, and includes custom integration and development support. Invoicera also charges add-ons, including $9 per additional team member per month and $10 per extra 100 clients per month, meaning costs scale alongside business growth. Now let's compare that with Zoho Books pricing. Zoho Books offers a free plan at $0 per month, designed for solopreneurs and micro businesses. This includes invoicing, quotes, expenses, sales receipts, mileage tracking, online payments, automated payment reminders, bank reconciliation, recurring invoices, and a self-service customer portal. The standard plan costs $20 per organization per month and adds progress, invoicing, sales tax tracking, 1099 MISC, and 1099 NEC support, bank feeds, reporting tags, recurring expenses, transaction locking, custom fields, custom reports, journal templates, and API access. The professional plan costs $50 per organization per month. This plan adds inventory tracking, vendor bill management, sales and purchase orders, multi-currency transactions, billable timesheets, project profitability tracking, retainers, price lists, approvals, and custom workflows. At the top, the premium plan costs $70 per organization per month and includes revenue recognition, fixed asset management, budgeting, cash flow forecasting, vendor portals, custom domains, and advanced customization. Now moving into Invoicera's features, this platform is built for complex billing scenarios. It supports deep invoice customization, recurring billing schedules, multi-currency invoicing, and region-specific tax configurations. Built-in time tracking and expense tracking connect directly to invoices, reducing manual work and improving billing accuracy for service-based businesses. Client portals allow customers to view invoices, download documents, and make payments securely. Approval workflows control who can create, edit, or send invoices, which is essential for teams. Reporting tools break down revenue, outstanding balances, and profitability by client or project. Integrations with CRMS, accounting platforms, and payment gateways allow Invoicera to function as part of a larger business ecosystem. When it comes to pros and cons, Invoicera's biggest strength is flexibility and scalability. It's powerful, customizable, and built for agencies and growing service businesses. The downside is complexity. Setup takes time. The interface can feel overwhelming, and costs can rise quickly as staff and client numbers grow. Smaller businesses may end up paying for features they don't fully use. Now let's move fully into Zoho Books and take a deeper look at what it actually offers in real business use. Zoho Books is designed as a complete accounting system rather than a simple invoicing tool. And that difference becomes obvious very quickly. From invoicing and expenses to inventory, compliance, and reporting, Zoho Books aims to cover the entire financial workflow in one platform. This makes it especially appealing to businesses that want everything connected rather than jumping between multiple tools. Zoho Books includes powerful invoicing features with customizable templates, recurring invoices, automatic payment reminders, and online payment support. Beyond invoicing, it allows businesses to track expenses, reconcile bank accounts automatically, manage customers and vendors, and generate professional financial statements, mileage tracking, sales receipts, and a self-service customer portal are also built in, which helps reduce back and forth communication with clients. One of Zoho Books' strongest areas is automation. You can set up recurring expenses, automate tax calculations, create workflow rules for approvals, and lock transactions to prevent accidental changes. Project tracking tools allow businesses to monitor billable hours, expenses, and profitability by project. Inventory management supports stock tracking, price lists, purchase orders, and sales orders, making Zoho Books suitable for product-based businesses as well as service companies. Reporting is another major strength. Zoho Books provides detailed financial reports such as profit and loss, balance sheets, cash flow statements, tax summaries, and project profitability reports. Reports can be customized with filters and tags, giving business owners clearer insight into performance. For companies that need clean records for accountants or audits, this level of reporting is a major advantage. Integration is where Zoho Books really shines. It connects seamlessly with other Zoho products like Zoho CRM, Zoho Inventory, Zoho Analytics, and Zoho Payroll. This creates a unified business ecosystem where data flows automatically between departments. For businesses already using Zoho tools, this integration alone can be a deciding factor. Now let's talk honestly about Zoho Books' pros and cons. The biggest advantage is depth. Few platforms at this price point offer such a complete accounting solution. Automation is strong, reporting is detailed, and the platform scales well as businesses grow. It's suitable for freelancers, small businesses, and even larger teams, as long as they're willing to invest time in setup. However, that depth also creates challenges. Zoho Books has a steeper learning curve than simple invoicing tools. New users may feel overwhelmed by the number of features and settings. Initial setup can take time, especially for businesses migrating from another system. Some advanced features are locked behind higher tier plans, which means costs can increase as needs expand. When it comes to ratings, both Invoicera and Zoho Books perform well on platforms like Capterra. Invoicera is often praised for billing flexibility, customization, and automation suited to agencies and service businesses. Zoho Books consistently receives strong feedback for accounting depth, value for money, and integration capabilities. Ratings can change over time, and some figures may not always be officially published, so it's always best to check the most recent reviews directly on Capterra. Now for the final takeaway. If your business revolves around advanced invoicing, recurring billing, and scalable billing workflows, Invoicera is a powerful option built specifically for that purpose. If you want a full accounting system that handles invoicing, expenses, inventory, compliance, and reporting in one place, Zoho Books stands out as a long-term solution. Click the link below to access the software, explore the features yourself, and choose the platform that truly fits your workflow, budget, and long-term business goals.